Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Integrating solar energy into building materials, such as windows and roof tiles, is a promising way to promote sustainable energy generation and reduce the overall carbon footprint of buildings. As the demand for clean energy sources grows, researchers and companies worldwide are working on innovative solutions that make solar power generation more efficient and visually appealing. Some of these solutions include Tesla's solar roof, building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, solar canopies, solar siding, and solar paints and coatings. 1. Solar roof tiles. Tesla's solar roof is a prime example of integrating solar energy into roofing materials. Tesla, founded by Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of renewable energy solutions and electric transportation. The solar roof tiles are designed to look like traditional roofing materials but contain photovoltaic cells within them. These cells capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, which can then be used to power the building. The tiles are made of durable tempered glass and are available in various styles such as textured, smooth, slate, and Tuscan to match the aesthetic of different homes. The solar roof system also integrates with Tesla's Powerwall battery, allowing homeowners to store excess energy generated during the day for use at night or during power outages. This integration of solar energy into roof tiles not only reduces the building's reliance on grid electricity but also offers an aesthetically pleasing solution that does not compromise the architectural design of the building. 2. Building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV. BIPV technology involves integrating solar panels directly into the building's facade or other structures such as windows, skylights, or canopies. This seamless integration can help save space and reduce the installation costs associated with traditional solar panels. BIPV systems are available in various forms, including transparent, semi-transparent, and opaque modules. One example of BIPV is the use of semi-transparent solar cells embedded in glass, allowing windows to generate electricity while still letting natural light through. This technology offers an exciting opportunity to transform windows into energy-generating structures, contributing to the building's overall energy efficiency. Several companies, such as Onyx Solar and Solaria, offer BIPV solutions for windows, curtain walls, and facades. 3. Solar canopies. Solar canopies are another way to integrate solar energy into building materials. These structures can be installed over parking lots, patios, or other outdoor spaces to provide shade while generating electricity. They can be standalone structures or connected directly to the building's power system, making them versatile solutions for various environments. Solar canopies offer several benefits, including protection from the elements, reduced heat island effect, and potential electric vehicle charging capabilities. By incorporating solar canopies into commercial and residential projects, property owners can make better use of available space and increase the overall sustainability of their properties. 4. Solar siding. Solar siding is a relatively new concept where photovoltaic panels are integrated into exterior walls or siding materials. This allows the building to generate electricity from sunlight hitting the walls, in addition to the roof or windows. Solar siding can be particularly beneficial for buildings with limited roof space or shaded roofs, as it can utilize vertical surfaces to capture sunlight. Companies like Sistine Solar are working on solar skin technologies that blend seamlessly into the building's exterior design. These skins can mimic various materials, such as brick, wood, or stone, providing a visually appealing solution that does not compromise the building's aesthetics. 5. Solar paints and coatings. Researchers are also working on developing solar paints and coatings that can be applied to a variety of building surfaces, including roofs, walls, and windows. These paints and coatings contain tiny solar cells or light-sensitive materials, such as perovskites, that can generate electricity when exposed to sunlight. Solar paints and coatings offer a flexible, low-profile solution for integrating solar energy into building materials. They can be easily applied to existing structures or incorporated into new construction projects. As technology advances, solar paints and coatings have the potential to become more efficient and affordable, further increasing their viability as a mainstream renewable energy solution. 6. Solar paving and flooring. Another innovative approach to integrating solar energy into building materials is the development of solar paving and flooring systems. Companies like Platio Solar and Solar Roadways are working on modular paving systems that incorporate photovoltaic cells, allowing surfaces like walkways, patios, and even roads to generate electricity. These systems are designed to be durable and slip resistant, making them suitable for various applications. 7. Solar shingles. Solar shingles are another alternative to traditional solar panels and can be integrated into the building's roofing materials. These shingles, made from thin film photovoltaic materials, can be installed like regular roofing shingles, blending seamlessly with the roof's design. Companies like CertainTeed and Sunflare produce solar shingles that are lightweight and flexible, making them suitable for various roof types. 8. Solar blinds and shades. Solar blinds and shades are an example of integrating solar energy into interior building materials. These window treatments have built-in solar cells that capture sunlight and generate electricity while providing shade and privacy. Solar blinds and shades can be a practical solution for buildings with large windows, helping to reduce the reliance on grid electricity for lighting and cooling. 9. Solar awnings. Solar awnings are retractable or fixed structures that provide shade and protection from the elements while incorporating solar panels to generate electricity. They can be installed above windows, doors, or outdoor seating areas, providing a functional and energy-efficient solution for both residential and commercial buildings. 10. Solar glazing. Solar glazing is a technology that integrates photovoltaic cells directly into the glass panes used in windows, skylights, or building facades. The glazing can be transparent or semi-transparent, allowing for natural light to pass through while generating electricity. Companies like Fizi are developing innovative solar glazing solutions that can be customized to meet the energy and aesthetic requirements of various building projects. In conclusion, integrating solar energy into building materials is a promising approach to promoting sustainable energy generation and reducing the overall carbon footprint of buildings. With advancements in technology and increased demand for renewable energy, we can expect to see a growing number of innovative solutions that seamlessly incorporate solar power into building designs. These solutions not only help reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions but also contribute to creating a more aesthetically pleasing, sustainable, and energy-efficient built environment. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.